Hello my friends. Lesson 19 Zootopia, a simple and inspiring story for English learners. 1. Introduction. Zootopia is one of Disney's most successful animated films. Released in 2016, it surprised the world with its original idea, bright characters, and deep message. The movie takes us into a modern animal city where anyone can be anything. For English learners, the story is easy to understand, exciting, and full of useful vocabulary. 2. The world of Zootopia. Zootopia is a giant city where animals of all sizes live together. There are different districts: the small town of Little Rodentia, the cold tundra town, the hot Sahara Square, the rainforest district, and the modern city center. Each area shows a different part of animal life. Disney created a world that looks almost like ours but full of animals instead of humans. Everything in the city is adapted to animals. Tiny doors for mice, giant trains for elephants, special technology for different species, all this makes Zootopia feel alive. This world teaches us about diversity, respect, and peaceful living. 3. Judy Hopps, the first bunny police officer. Judy Hopps is the main hero of the movie. She is a small but brave bunny from Bunnyboro. Since childhood, Judy dreams of becoming a police officer. But everyone tells her this goal is impossible because rabbits are too small and weak. Still, Judy never gives up. She studies hard at the police academy, trains every day, and finally becomes the first rabbit police officer in Zootopia's history. Her story inspires many people because it shows that anyone can achieve their dream with hard work and confidence. When she starts working, Judy faces discrimination. Her boss only gives her small tasks like writing parking tickets. But the bunny doesn't lose hope. She decides to show her skills and prove she belongs in the police force. 4. Nick Wilde, the clever fox. Nick Wilde is a fox who lives by tricking others. He is calm, smart, and funny, but deep inside he hides his past full of pain and fear. When he was a kid, other animals bullied him just for being a fox. This experience made him believe that society will never treat predators fairly. Judy and Nick become partners by accident. At first they don't trust each other, but step by step they build a strong friendship. Nick teaches Judy how the city really works, and Judy helps Nick believe in himself again. Their relationship is one of the strongest parts of the film. It shows how two different individuals can support each other and break stereotypes. 5. The mystery of the missing animals. The main plot begins when several predators suddenly disappear. Nobody knows where they went or why they are missing. Judy decides to solve the case, even though she is not officially allowed to. She asks Nick for help, and together they start investigating. Their adventure takes them to secret laboratories, criminal gangs, and hidden prisons. They discover that some predators suddenly become wild and dangerous due to a mysterious drug. The deeper they go, the more complicated the story becomes. Judy and Nick finally reveal that the real villain wants to divide predators and prey and create fear between them. The message is clear: fear destroys society, but trust and kindness can save it. 6. A story about stereotypes. One of the strongest points of Zootopia is its message about prejudice. The movie teaches that judging others by their species, or by any other difference, is unfair. Judy and Nick make mistakes, learn, grow, and finally show that true friendship is more powerful than stereotypes. For English learners, this message is easy to understand, and it reflects real-life situations. 7. The success of the movie. Zootopia became a worldwide hit. It won an Oscar for Best Animated Feature, earned over $1 billion, and became one of Disney's most loved films. Viewers enjoyed both the fun story and the deeper themes. Teachers, parents, and students use the movie to talk about equality, friendship, and courage. 8. Zootopia 2, What We Know So Far. Disney confirmed Zootopia 2 with a release planned for 2025. Fans are excited to see Judy and Nick return. The second movie will continue exploring the city and the relationship between predators and prey. Early information suggests Judy and Nick will work together again as official police partners. The city will face a new threat that challenges the harmony between animals. The film will show new districts and new species. The tone will be exciting, funny, and full of emotional moments. Many fans hope to see more about Judy and Nick's personal relationship, as well as new adventures that test their trust and courage. 9. Why this story is great for English learners? Zootopia uses clear, modern English with simple dialogues and many useful phrases. It teaches everyday vocabulary, helps improve listening, shows natural conversation, presents a strong inspiring story. With Zootopia and the upcoming sequel, learners can enjoy an exciting world while improving their English skills.